And I know this angle isn't great for me, for anyone, but my arms are. I was canoeing. Is that a word? Canoeing? Yesterday. So my arms aren't very strong. I'm sorry. This is the most embarrassing thing I've done in my life. I couldn't just stay in the house. I honestly think there's something wrong with me and my hands. And if there's people in the cave, I'll die. I'll sit out and wait till they go so I can be embarrassing. But you know what? I don't want to talk about fucking maces all day. I have a job. I have a life. I'm listening to fucking mace tapes. Well, I should be. I should be in nature listening to mace tapes, but I'm not. Am I? And I have to look at my face while I'm doing this because... So, imagine that. Look at this. Look at the mountains. They're huge. Okay. Look at this. We're by the mountains. Climbing a tree. This is a bad idea. Oh my god. Sitting in the tree. By the... I'm gonna slide off. This was a bad idea. I look like a fucking troll. Let's go. There's so many bugs. And while we're here, talking about being embarrassing, let's talk about Eve and friends. I think this is where the person was. So I'm not gonna go up here, but I'm gonna show you the stairs. Okay, look at these stairs. Look at this. More stairs. Here someone has written something. I don't know what this is. Eerie. I guess it is. This is how I die. I'm gonna fall. And who's here to catch? Look at this tree. This is crazy. Look at this root. Do you see the bugs? I see the bugs. We're going away. Look at that. This is not the cave, but it could be. It could be. Look at that cave. The thing about it, friends, I don't know if it's a real thing. Like, people do things, and then because they do sort of weird things, they're Iggy's or they're friends. Or if you are Iggy, and then after you become an Iggy, you do these crazy things because you are an Iggy. Like, who's to say? Oh, we're fucking here. Look at this. I lied. Oh my god, there's a bumblebee. Fucking die. We're at the cave. Would you look at that? There's a cave. You can't go in it because I'm not thin enough, but like, there's a cave. Let's go inside. Look at me, I'm a fucking ghost. Let's go inside the cave. It's just oh my god, there's so many bugs. Let's not do that. I'm attacked. Oh, I'm gonna die. They're gonna eat me. I need to be real quiet because if there's real people, there could be real people. And also I could fall in because this is really steep. Why am I vlogging? I could fall and die. Yeah, there's people there. I need to go. There's people climbing the mountain. Why did I? Oh my god. Almost tripped. I didn't even bring water. What am I, a fucking wizard? Am I putting myself in danger and unnecessary embarrassment because I can't act? And this all had to be real? Yes, you're completely right. I am doing that. Who said considering nature was easy? It's not. You go out here and you die. Because I'm going insane. I don't know. Don't fucking know. About the fucking Iggy's and friends. Would I do this if I was too stupid to think about Iggy's and friend? Probably. But maybe not. Who knows? I'm out here falling. Getting fucking eaten alive. Because that's what I do. Like a fucking maze tape person. I'm not pretending. I'm like actually... I think so many bugs got me. I shouldn't have got into the fucking cave. Who knew? People think caves are dangerous. They're not. It's the fucking mosquitoes that get you. In the caves. Oh god. When I was like 10, I was at this summer camp with the scouts. It was like on this island, and it was very humid and like lots and lots of mosquitoes, and I got them all. My legs were full. It was obscene. They started calling me. They gave me a nickname after it for my fucking bumpy legs. That's me. I always thought I would die by getting run over by a car, because I always almost do, every day. But now I'm thinking, maybe it was the mosquitoes all along. Anyways, let's talk about mazes. Maze number 1. It's of course House of Leaves. Like, what did you think it was going to be? Are you kidding me? Name one maze that's even comparable. Fuck the maze tapes. They don't know about fucking... Or they do know. They are taking everything from House of Leaves. House of Leaves fucking built your house. House of Leaves is not just a maze. It's a house. Where am I now? I'm completely lost. I'm lost. I don't know where I am. I better be getting back to my bike. But I might not. House of Leaves is a maze in more ways than one. We have the combined thing with the literal maze in the house. It's not so much a maze as if it's just a house with nothing in it. But maybe that's all mazes are. Houses with nothing in it. But it's also a maze in the narrative sense. Like you read a fucking guy talking about a book about a movie that doesn't exist. Because I didn't have the list planned. Oh, we're getting to a fucking bog. There's gonna be so many mosquitoes. Look at this. What the fuck? I guess we're walking over. What's the worst thing that could happen? Oh my god, this is like an actual bog. Look at this, I'm not walking here. Mosquitoes are everywhere. What the fuck? Okay, I give up. I look like a fucking maniac. I'm mining. I'm mining. I'm mining. I'm mining.